Hey everybody, today got another MacBook Air in here for repair. Customer said there's no power, but what happened first, actually, he was using it. He started to smell some smoke. He heard us pop, and all of a sudden, then there was no power. So we want to actually go ahead and see. I actually do have it open here, and I can see the problem, and it's pretty obvious. Well, I guess it's not. That was like a piece of tape or something. You see that in the middle here? Right here. Let's go look under the microscope and see what it is. So it looks like that pop was not that. Aha, that looks like a pop, huh? See, and that should not be there. That shouldn't be like that. See that? There's a problem there. This is a capacitor, and we need to replace it. So let's go ahead and just do that right now. I need to remove it because it's already emitted its maker. A lot of flux, huh? A little bit too much? Alright, no problem. Let's go ahead and do it, replace it. I actually have a replacement right next to me. We're going to just remove this first because it's pretty bad. Boom. See that? It's supposed to look like this. Look at the difference. Wow. Let's go ahead and put this one on. Let's see if it works. It should work fine. Okay. Apple logo. Alright, so Apple logo does look good. It's turning on. We're going to let it charge. It looks like it may need a battery too, but we'll at least let them know. And obviously we'll test out, make sure that that's it. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video on how to repair this MacBook Air. Obviously, you see there was that really bad cap that actually did pop. It's always dangerous, especially if you hear that. Make sure you just definitely turn it off, even though it's going to turn off anyway, but don't use it. Don't try to use it anymore. You don't know what else can be going on with it. So, hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, please leave a like. Really does help us a lot. Subscribe for more content. See you guys next video. Take care. Bye.